Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to add destinations, sites, restaurants to your wishlist on the Get Your Guide application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. After that, you should tap on the discover button and type in your destination to the search bar at the top. After that, you should select the item that you want to save for later and add to your wish list. Let it be transfer, entry ticket, day trip, guided tour, or foods, drinks, water activities, top sites. Click on the relevant one, and here you can find the offers. Check it out, and if you want to save it for later and add to your wish list, tap on this heart icon at the top next to the share button. Here you should select a list, so you can create one by tapping on the create a list button, and then it will be added to your list. As you go back to the previous page and click on the wish list button down below, you will be able to check out the item added to this list. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.